In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add EMA in Tradingview. First, open Tradingview and load the chart for the asset you want to analyze. This can be any stock, crypto, index, or forex pair. Make sure you're on the time frame you plan to use because moving averages respond differently on a 1-minute chart versus a daily chart. The EMA, or Exponential Moving Average, gives more weight to recent price action, which helps you see trends as they develop. At the top of the chart, click Indicators. In the search bar that appears, type Moving Average Exponential. You'll see Moving Average Exponential show up in the results. Click it once, and the EMA will be added to your chart instantly. Now let's customize it. Hover your mouse over the EMA label on your chart or in the indicator list and click the settings icon. In the Inputs tab, adjust the length value to set the period. A shorter length like 9 or 20 reacts faster to price changes. A longer length like 50 or 200 smooths things out and highlights broader trends. Choose what fits your strategy and time frame. If you're unsure, start with a common value such as 20 or 50 and refine from there as you test. Next, go to the Style tab to make the line easier to see. Here, you can change the color, thickness, and line type. Pick a color that contrasts well with your chart background and consider increasing the thickness so it's readable at a glance. If you plan to use multiple EMAs, choose distinct colors for each one. When you're satisfied, click OK to apply your changes. If you want to add more EMAs, simply repeat the same process, search for Moving Average, Exponential again, add it, and set a different length and style so you can tell them apart quickly. This is useful for strategies that compare, for example, a fast EMA and a slow EMA. To show that this works on any symbol, switch to another chart, such as a major index. Open the Indicators panel again and type Highlight. Select the Highlight tool or indicator from the results. You may see a small cursor prompt. Click on your chart to place the highlight where you want to draw attention to the EMA area or a key region. If you see highlight options, click them to confirm and apply. You can repeat the click to add additional highlights if needed, then exit the tool when you're done. That's it. You've added customized and emphasized EMAs in Tradingview. Save your chart layout so these settings carry over to your next session.